Former President Duterte's common-law wife, Hanilet Avancenia, and their daughter, Veronica, or Kitty, are now in the Netherlands for the former president's birthday tomorrow. We'll get the latest live from Jovi Francisco, who is still in the Netherlands at The Hague. Hi, Jovi. What's the latest there?
Pauline, just after our live report from The Hague yesterday or last night, we were given signal or we were texted by our colleagues here at the penitentiary that Kitty and her mother, Hanilet Avancenia, is already here at the venue. And so we rushed and covered their stay here. And here's the report.
Shalito Hanilet Avancenia and her daughter Veronica Kitty Duterte made an appearance at the Scriveningen prison. The penitentiary where former President Rodrigo Duterte is currently detained awaiting trial for crimes against humanity. The mother and daughter inquired about getting permission to visit the former president, but were seen spending time with supporters outside the detention facility instead. They opted not to grant media interviews. Hanilet was heard thanking supporters. Vice President Sara Duterte told reporters recently that she's expecting Hanilet and Kitty to avail of the visitation slot for relatives on March 28, the birthday of the former president. While interacting with supporters, Kitty wished her father a happy birthday.
Good health and unta kaon na gyud siya sa ilang pagkaon dira sa sulod di na maginahigulon. Kato lang gyud.
The mother and daughter obliged to have pictures taken with their supporters and after an hour left the penitentiary. Kitty filed a petition at the Supreme Court for her father, hoping to bring him back to the Philippines.
I don't see any action from the Supreme Court of the Philippines affecting the physical custody of Duterte in the International Criminal Court, which is a separate court with separate jurisdiction. Could you imagine the Philippine Supreme Court ordering the ICC judges, hey, I want him back? Not even President Marcos can bring him home.
The arrival of other members of the Duterte clan come at a time when the proceedings of the Crimes Against Humanity case against the former president are underway, with the prosecution panel recently submitting 181 pieces of evidence. Reporting from the ICC here at The Hague, Jovi Francisco, we are One News.
Pauline.
All right, and of course, Jovi, tomorrow
Pauline.
is the birthday of
Yes.
former President Duterte at usap-usapan na nga yung picnic na yan, ano? Is there a new venue para sa picnic na yan? And will any of the Duterte family members join that?
Yes, Pauline and ladies, tomorrow is the birthday of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And hindi na nga gaganapin doon sa Malakiang Parke kung saan, or park kung saan ginanap yung meet and greet, yung picnic na sinasabi na iyan. So nandito ako ngayon sa penitentiary, di ba? Yung bagong assigned place for their picnic ay nandito lang sa tabi niyan. So I'll walk you through that fenced area. Dahil ngayon pa lang inihanda na ng authorities ng The Hague yan, lalo yung community na ito. So may kita nyo na naka-fence na yung parang mini park near the penitentiary. Actually sa tapat lang niya. And dyan gaganapin yung picnic tomorrow na in-expect na dadaluhan ni Vice President Sara Duterte habang nasa loob naman ng penitentiary yung mga kaanak na hininga ng permiso to visit the former president. So ano yan, salo-salo na kanya-kanya or KKB daw na pagdadala ng pagkain, ladies.
So Jovi, yung balita kasi, you're right, after we aired last night, dumating nga si Kitty Duterte and Hanilet Avancenia. Supposedly, hindi pa raw sila nabigyan ng permiso to enter the detention facility and have a visit with the former President Duterte. Is that true?
It's true, kaya nga they opted to just go to the area where the supporters are for some parang pag-usap sa mga supporters nila. That's mainly because actually nagkabiglaan nga yung dating rito. We don't know, hindi natin talaga alam kung kailan yung dating nila sa Europe or dito sa The Hague. Pero ang certain namin, based doon sa scheduling ng ni Vice President Sara Duterte, ang pencil in na schedule for Kitty Duterte ay bukas pa talaga, Friday. So alam namin na yung kahapon ay iba ang pwedeng bumisita o walang Duterte siguro tinignan nila kung pwede ba silang makiusap or kung ano yung proseso at nagpalista sila. Pero yun ay depende pa kung papayagan. Pero hindi nga sila napayagan. Kaya yung schedule for tomorrow ang dapat nilang pagtuunan ng pansin.
Nagbakasakali lang.
And will the protocols be the same, Jovi? Ay, ilang oras ang mabibigay sa family members? In this case, ito nga si Hanilet pati si Kitty.
Usually, katulad nung kay VP Sara, 2 hours yung sinasagad niya na oras. So kapag dumating sa dito, 2 hours yung paglalagi niya sa loob, lady. So malamang na ganun din yung isagad na oras nung anak na si Kitty. At isa pang inaalam natin ay kung pwedeng sabay na si Kitty at saka yung mother niya yung pumasok sa loob for the visitation. We're still confirming that dito sa penitentiary.
And is there any info already, Sir Jovi, sa pagdating naman ni Pulong at ni Baste? Susunod ba daw sila dyan sa Netherlands?
Wala doon sa dalawang brothers kasi ang bilin, ang huli, nung nakipag-usap nung Monday si VP Sara sa kanyang father sa loob, ay ibinili na huwag papuntahin muna yung dalawang anak dahil maraming dapat gawin sa Pilipinas. Pero ang inalaw niya o ang sinabi nung kanyang father ay hayaan yung iba. Like alam din natin na yung mother ni Vice President Sara Duterte ay parating or nandito na at naghihintay na lamang ng visitation schedule para sila makatungo dito sa penitentiary. And can I just add, aside from yung mangyayari tomorrow na picnic sa oras natin, na kasi that's 10 a.m. hanggang 3 p.m. So sakto sa oras ng The Big Story. After that, yung 3 p.m., it's the turn of the anti-Duterte group naman, at saka yung mga witnesses, yung mga sumusuporta sa mga witnesses, magkakaroon ng kanilang event na parang surprise birthday protest for the former president. Dito rin sa The Hague.
All right. Well, thank you very much for all those updates. That was a One News editor, Jovi Francisco.